Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to generate AI YouTube Shorts talking head videos in CapCut. So it's pretty easy to do. I'm going to show you step by step. Just open up the CapCut application, and then when you do that, you just have to add the text that you would like to use as the basis of your talking head video. Just select text on the bottom of the screen and go to add text, which is going to be the first option. When you have that, you just have to select your text box and select AI avatars, which is going to be on the bottom right here. Then this menu is going to show up where you can select from a huge library of different AI avatars, and you can use them to generate YouTube Shorts talking head videos just like this.
Hey, how are you
This is a
today?
test
Are you
text.
You can select any of these options, and when you tap on next, it is going to be applied to your video with the same voiceover that you have introduced. So it's pretty easy to use. Please consider sending a super thanks donation.